In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link QuickBooks Online to credit card. By the end, your credit card transactions will flow straight into QuickBooks Online, making categorizing and reconciling much faster and more accurate. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company. On the left-hand navigation, open the Transactions menu, then choose Bank Transactions. Here you'll see the area where all connected accounts live. Look for the button that says Link Account, or on some screens, Connect Account. They do the same thing. Both start the secure connection to your bank or credit card provider. A new window will prompt you to search for your credit card. Type the name of your bank or card issuer, then select the correct option from the results. If your provider offers multiple portals or regions, pick the one you actually use for online banking. When prompted, enter your online banking username and password. You may also be asked to complete a one-time passcode or another security check. Approve that using your bank's instructions. Make sure you're using your official banking credentials and only entering them in the secure QuickBooks connection window. If you don't see your provider right away, try alternate spellings or the card brand name your bank uses. Once authentication succeeds, QuickBooks will show you the accounts it found. Choose the specific credit card you want to connect. If you already have a matching credit card account set up in your chart of accounts, select it so transactions land in the right place. If you don't have one yet, click Add New and create a credit card account. Give it a clear name, something like the bank and the last 4 digits, so you can recognize it later. Confirm the connection to finish linking. After the connection is live, head to the For Review tab. This is where newly imported transactions appear. Work through them one by one. For each charge or payment, pick the most accurate category, think office supplies, meals, or utilities, and add a vendor or memo if it helps future reporting. If you've already recorded an expense, bill payment, or credit card payment in QuickBooks, use Match instead of Add so you don't create duplicates. Add means you're creating a brand new transaction from the bank feed. Match ties the bank feed to something that already exists. That's it. You've linked your credit card, selected the right account, and started reviewing transactions. Keep up with the For Review tab regularly, and your books will stay clean, up to date, and ready for reconciliation.